Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's stereo speakers on Motorola Moto G53. And to do this we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and first one is at the top, that's a phone call speaker right here. Next is at the bottom, and that's a main speaker right here, and that will be it. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we need to cover each of them with our fingers while playing some music. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from a top speaker as well as the bottom one, and that confirms that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.